If you're at a point in life where you realize that where you are and who you've accepted yourself to be need change, then it's time to disappear. Real transformation often requires stepping back, leaving behind the noise and distractions of everyday life to focus inward. In this video, I'll guide you through the power of retreating from daily distractions, just as some of the greatest thinkers in history understood the importance of this true transformation. This isn't about earning more money or losing weight. It's about reaching your deepest potential. When you align with your core essence, everything improves from there. Ignoring the inner core can leave you feeling lost, like something is missing. What is this calling for inner change? It's an intelligence at work, urging you to grow. Taking the first step inward is how real change begins. Unlike animals, we humans have the ability to recognize that we're more than our basic instincts and desires. We can connect with true intelligence within us, but this requires inner work, full attention, and commitment. As we dive deeper, let's look at how some of history's greatest minds understood the power of stepping away to truly know oneself. Socrates, known for saying, "Know thyself." Socrates believed in introspection and self-examination. He advocated for withdrawal from distractions to better understand ourselves, showing that self-knowledge is the foundation of meaningful change. Notice he says self-knowledge, not general knowledge. This concept is explored further in our video on self-knowledge. Plato, through his allegory of the cave, Plato illustrated the journey from ignorance to enlightenment. This journey is about turning away from life's illusions and distractions to find what truly matters. Our modern life is full of distractions and illusions, which is why stepping back to understand these layers can reveal truths we might not otherwise see. Aristotle, he valued the contemplative life, suggesting that a life of thought and reflection brings the highest form of happiness. Stepping back helps us connect with what gives life true meaning. Buddha left a life of luxury to seek enlightenment through solitude and meditation, exemplifying how retreating can lead to deeper understanding and inner peace. Lao Tzu, the founder of Taoism, Lao Tzu taught the importance of simplicity and harmony with nature. He emphasized withdrawing from life's busyness, suggesting that simplicity and inner focus lead to wisdom and peace. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, wrote about the importance of inner reflection, highlighting the power of retreating within oneself to find calmness in life's chaos. Like these thinkers, we can benefit greatly from stepping back from daily distractions. Here's how you can start this journey of disappearing to reconnect with your true self. Create boundaries. Schedule time for a complete break from social media and notifications. Without these boundaries, it's easy to get pulled into constant distraction. Social media's algorithms are designed to keep you engaged, so finding balance is key. Find simple, quiet spaces. Spend time in places that encourage reflection. A quiet room, a park, or nature itself. This helps you experience the power of stillness and recognize that the present moment is what matters most. Many of our struggles stem from overthinking about the past or future, so accepting where you are reconnects you with the simplicity of being in the now. Reevaluate priorities. Use this time away to assess what truly matters, without outside pressures clouding your judgment. As Bruce Lee said, take what's useful and discard what's not. Often we hold onto things that should be let go of, and by doing so, we create space for creativity and focus. Detox from distractions. Disconnecting from social media helps reduce anxiety and increase focus. freeing your mind to work toward meaningful goals. Detoxing physically by eating healthier or fasting can also boost energy and reduce brain fog, allowing you to think more clearly. Reconnect with the self. Like Buddha and Marcus Aurelius, two philosophers from different cultures, East and West, who both recognize the importance of solitude. Use this time to self-reflect on your values, desires, and purposes, without external interferences clouding your clarity. I want to share a quick story with you. There was a time in my life when I felt like I hit a dead end. I lacked the guidance I needed, but the suffering I experienced led me to realize that something needed change. What felt like depression, I know now, was actually a sign that something in my life was off and needed my attention. Sometimes feeling down and hurt can be an opportunity to look in the mirror and self-reflect. It's a way of recognizing that something is wrong. And although the solution wasn't immediately clear, it was a sign for me to look deeper. Life presents these moments like a Rubik's Cube. It is up to us to untangle the chaos and find the right order to progress mentally and emotionally. Often, it's about solving our inner confusions, clearing the clutter of our thoughts, and channeling our focus with clarity and direction. Deciding to leave behind the familiar life I knew was my chance to align my thinking with my future I envisioned for myself. Even at the cost of stepping away from comfort and the people I knew, it was crucial for me to figure out who I truly was and what I genuinely wanted. The first night of this new chapter was challenging for me. I couldn't help but feel afraid about the choice I had taken, but I knew that to live the life I desired, this process was necessary. Step by step, I started building my inner vision of becoming a better person and creating the life I wanted for myself. Through this journey of self-healing and self-discovery, I found a renowned sense of direction and energy. If you're experiencing something similar and crave real change, consider giving yourself the space and time to figure these things out. It's not easy at first, but the journey is worth it. Making this decision was scary, but everything I sacrificed was worth it. And because of it, there are no regrets. I went for it, and so could you. The same energy that helped me is also within you too. If I could, you could too. I truly believe that. Taking time away from daily distractions can bring greater clarity, focus, and energy into your life. By setting boundaries, reflecting on what matters, and reconnecting with yourself, you can find balance and experience real personal growth. If you've enjoyed this video, check out my other videos for more tips and finding clarity and purpose. I'll be posting a new video weekly. By clicking subscribe and like, you can help my videos go out and reach others to help them as well. Take care and stay true.